Hello, I'm Dr Sneha KS. I have secured 40th rank in AIAPGET 2021. I have completed my UG from Vishnu Ayurveda College, Shortnosh. Later, I joined DRONA Institute for my PG coaching. It extended from almost 1.5 years because of the corona pandemic. And most of the classes were online. We got enough time for our final preparation also. Even though there were lots of limitations, DRONA always tried to provide us with best classes that to fill with too much funny quotes, motivation and many more things. It always helped us in many ways. Talking about DRONA, the main highlighting point it is its carding system. That was a very unique carding system as being followed there. It helps us in memorizing things more easily and also it will provide us confidence. Never think that we are just mugging up the codes. It is not at all like that. First of all, our mentors, our teachers will be taking class for us and will make us understand what is the concept. After that, they will be providing you with certain codes that are too funny, which will help you in memorizing things in exam more easily. Second thing about DRONA is they will guide you throughout the year and will always try to bring the best part of you, and whenever you are going below your standard, they will just try to understand what is the reason behind it, whether it is any family personal problem or any other problem in the studies. You can approach any faculty at any point of time when you are feeling too much down or you are having any doubt and all. You can just approach them. They will reply sincerely. Things that I have followed while I was preparing for the exam. There was an ABC criteria that I always sticked on. ABC criteria, that is A for adamant, B for belief and C for confidence and concentration. Things that a person who is preparing for competitive exam must stick on to, because these are having its own importance. Without these three things, it's impossible to crack any competitive exam. And another three things that I always keep in mind when I was preparing for my PG entrance was first one, a positive thirst for knowledge. That is, every day you will be having getting new questions. Like in the very first phase, the whole preparation can be divided into three phases. And the first phase you will be having direct questions, whereas in the second phase you will be having a little bit difficult questions, and the third phase entirely different questions will be there. That may be from 1 star or from other part that is not at all important, but you will have to go through that, because nowadays 1 star is also having its importance. There is nothing like 5 star, 3 star and all nowadays, but always go with 5 star, 3 star, 2 star, likewise you have to go, and in the third round only you can stick on to 1 star. So in the very first phase, you will be studying some of the important points that are very needed, and you must clearly know the concept behind each and every topic that is being taken there. Every phase you will be having different type of questions, but in the second and third phase, especially in the third phase, you will be facing new ones. So never get panic by seeing that, because it's a chance to know something that is new. It may or may not ask, but you should understand what is that, just to know that there is something like that existing in our samhitas and all. So whenever you see such questions, never take it negative. Always think positive of it. I'm getting a chance to learn about it, so I'm gaining new knowledge every day. So that is the third phase. You will be facing such questions. So just think like that. So you should have a positive mindset throughout the third phase, because it is a very important one, because that will be the last month of your exam. One is hard work with consistency. Here hard work, it is not just hard work, you should do a very smart work, otherwise you are not going to crack it. That too in a very consistent manner. Consistency is the key key to success actually. Without consistency, it is never going to work. So the effort that you put in the very first, you should maintain it till the final day of the exam. Otherwise, it is never going to work. Try to understand that. What happens with most of the students is that they will try very hard in the very beginning, but they fail to continue with that till the end. Consistency, it is one of the most important thing without which you are never going to crack it. So make your mind understand the fact that hard work is needed, but that too a very smart work with consistency is very much important. Always keep in mind that it's not the will to win matters, but it's the will to prepare to win matters. Try to understand the difference in that. So make your mind always concentrated of your goal and make it happen. Surely it will happen if you are moving with in a very consistent manner. As patience, it is also one of the important one. If you are not at all patient enough, then your mind will always push you to drop the goals in the middle of the year. So try to make your mind understand that it is never going to be easy in the upcoming days, and it is going to be very hard. So I will be facing every challenge that is put in front of me with a very powerful and a positive mindset, with a very consistent hard work. Try to say it every day, because you are going to face it in the upcoming days, and there will be many circumstances in which you will be feeling like I just want to drop it out, like and all. So try to understand that nothing is going to happen overnight. It will take its own time. Give time and try harder and harder every day. Do not stop until the final buzzer rings. Three things, that is positive thirst for knowledge, hard work with consistency, and patience. All these three things are interlinked, and you must follow. One should follow this if you are trying to crack any competitive exam. These are the key things that you must note before starting in preparation. Cardinal methods that I have followed while I was preparing. First one, it was note. The basic thing that is needed is a knot, a very beautiful knot that is made interesting by many pictures, many tables, and many colors, everything. I used to write not in a very different way, with lots of colors, like important points will be in red, some other points will be in orange, and in the slogas will be in blue ink. Like there were certain techniques that I used to adopt while I was preparing, and it was successful for me. One was sticky notes that I used to stick on over places where I used to go. I usually over my doors, my windows, my cupboard, and my study table, my walls, everywhere I used to stick it on. This was done actually 3 or 2 months before exam. These were the things that I always get confused. Every week I used to make timetable. It is one of the important one because it will help you in making your hard work consistent. You will never get bored if you are making a timetable by yourself. Teachers will ask you to do that. Try to do it because it is very effective. It will give you more time, and in that time you can do your painting works or any other decoration works and all. Like many will be writing notes in very different way, with lots of colors, with lots of pictures, tables and all. So you'll be getting enough time if you are following our timetable. It will make you more systematic, and it will help in reaching your goal in a very smooth way. So try to make it. I usually used to follow it. It was on 12 or 16 hour timetable. It was 16 hours when I was in the third phase. For the second phase and all, I think it was 13 or 14 hours timetable. Try to study things by mixing it up. Never go in an order. Solve question papers as much as possible, because it will help you in final exam. It will increase your speed. It will make you questions more familiar. There are lots of benefits in solving question paper, and you will be getting new knowledge from that. You will be getting lots of advantages by solving question papers. So try to do it. If you are not getting time, try to do in your mobile itself. There are lots of online apps in which you can do it. Third one is develop a positive thinking inside you, like by reading certain books or by reading certain positive quotes. Try to develop more and more positivity inside you. Try to be with those people who give you positive vibes. These are the things that I usually followed. And other one, for making your studies more easy, you can write card books and all. I never wrote it, but my friends and all, they always do that. But for me, my note was was made in such a manner that it was having two effects. 2-in-1 thing was that. So for me, my note was also like a card book, so I skipped that step. I started writing confusion book, that too, and before 2 months before exam, I think. I got to know the things that are confusing me at that time only. So I wrote it during that, mainly for Casey and Samhitas I wrote. For others, I think I haven't done it. So these are the things that I have followed. Next one is division. The letter R is having a very big role in any competitive exam. It is very much needed one. If you are not revising it, then it is never going to work in the exam. So revise it as much as possible. Give time, make timetable, go accordingly. So what I want to say is that do what you can with what you have wherever you are. Just go harder and harder every day. Make it as a habit and be there till the last day. So make a goal for that. I should get under 100, below 100 itself, that too in a national institute. Then you will be able to crack whatever you want. Paper analysis, it is also one of the important things, because what is happening inside you during the exam, it is also important. So even though you have studied all the things, but still you are making it wrong in the answer sheet, means there is something that is happening during the exam. So exam errors should be corrected by yourself, and try to avoid it in the future. Every time when you write exam, try to analyze it till the end, till the last date. You should do like that. It will do good when you write the final exam. So these are the things that helped me in cracking AIAPGET 2021. I'm glad that I got guidance from such an institute like DRONA. I am thankful to all those people and Almighty who helped me in acquiring such a good rank in All India level. Best of luck to all the future AIAPGET aspirants. Life is definitely not easy. So for the aspirants, the only message I would say is, don't give up on your passion. Stick to your goals and follow your passion, and definitely believe in yourself. One day you will definitely reach your goal. Thank you.